Where is Mohnish Pabrai invested in? Why does he have only 3 stocks according to the most respected stock tracking website? And where else are his hidden investments? Stay tuned to find out this and a lot of other valuable information. As always set with educational purposes and is not meant to be taken as financial advice. The first out of the 3 stocks is Ceritage Growth Properties. Ceritage is a real estate investment trust that primarily focuses on the acquisition, development and management of retail properties in the United States. The company's scope includes the ownership of interests in 163 properties totaling approximately 29.6 million square feet of gross leasable area. The company's primary focus is on transforming its existing portfolio of retail properties into more profitable and relevant mixed-use environments, which will benefit its shareholders the most. This involves redeveloping underutilized retail spaces into office, residential, and entertainment venues. Ceritage also aims to develop new properties in key markets that can benefit from mixed-use approaches. Ceritage's portfolio includes properties that are leased to some of the biggest retailers in the United States, including Walmart, Home Depot, and Dick's Sporting Goods. The overall scope of Ceritage's operations is centered on the acquisition and development and management of retail properties in the United States, with a focus on transforming underutilized spaces into more profitable and relevant mixed-use environments. But I personally do not think Mohnish Pabrai bought the stock for any of these reasons. Actually, the stock now is only 0.03% of his portfolio, as he sold off the majority of his shares already. Mohnish entered the position in Q2 of 2022 when he bought 4.73 million shares. This was right after the pandemic news hit the market and the stock of Ceritage dropped by -82%. During Q2, the PB ratio for Ceritage was around 0.44, which means the price of the whole company was trading at about 44% of the total equity. Meaning, if the company went bankrupt, Mohnish would have more than doubled his investment, as he virtually had no direct risk. The first time when Mohnish sold was in Q4 of 2021, when he sold 25.9% of his portfolio. As seen on the chart back then, the PB ratio was 0.7, and during the following quarter of Q1 2022, Mohnish sold the rest 99% of his share at again a PB ratio of about 0.7. In my opinion, Mohnish liked this stock due to its very low risk, and as the risk premium goes up due to price appreciation, Mohnish exits the position. The second top US-based stock for Mohnish is Brookfield Asset Management. This is a leading alternative asset management firm that specializes in real estate, renewable power, infrastructure, and private equity. With a presence in over 30 countries and more than 750 billion in assets under management as of 2022, Brookfield has an extensive scope of operations. In real estate, Brookfield manages a diversified portfolio of commercial, residential, and industrial properties across North America, Europe, Australia, and Asia. Its expertise in real estate includes development, leasing, and property management. In renewable power, Brookfield manages a portfolio of hydroelectric, wind, solar, and energy storage facilities across North and South America, Europe, and Asia. Its expertise in this area includes acquisitions, development, and operation of renewable power assets. In infrastructure, Brookfield manages a portfolio of transportation, energy, water, and communication infrastructure assets across North and South America, Europe, Australia, and again Asia. In private equity, Brookfield manages a portfolio of investments in various industries, including financial services, consumer goods, and industrial products. Its private equity investments focus on acquiring and growing leading companies. Overall, Brookfield's scope of operations is broad and diversified, spanning across multiple sectors and geographies. The company again has a low PB ratio of 1.43 and it has a 22.82% share of Mohnish's total portfolio. This is a new position in the portfolio and it was added in the latest Q4 quarter of 2022. The top US-based stock in Mohnish's portfolio is Micron, which accounts for 77% of his total US positions. Micron Technology is a leading manufacturer of dynamic random access memory, or DRAM for short, and NAND flash memory and other semiconductor solutions. The company's scope of operations primarily centers around the production and sale of memory and storage products used in a variety of electronic devices, including computers, smartphones, servers, and automotive applications. Micron's DRAM products include both standard and advanced memory modules that are used in high-performance computing applications such as data centers, gaming, and artificial intelligence. Its NAND flash products provide fast and reliable storage solutions for a range of devices, including smartphones, tablets, and solid-state drivers. In addition to its core memory and storage products, Micron also offers a range of other semiconductor solutions, including graphics memory, multi-chip packages, and memory buffers. Overall, Micron's scope of operations is focused on providing advanced memory and storage solutions for a range of electronic devices. Its products are essential components in the functioning of these devices and are critical to the smooth operations of many modern technologies. Micron's expertise in semiconductor manufacturing allows it to continually innovate and create value for its customers and shareholders. This is yet another company which is trading very cheaply at a PB ratio of 1.31. I have made an extensive analysis video about Micron here on the channel, so make sure to watch it in full as it is quite interesting and valuable. Mohnish increased this position with 2% during the latest quarter, indicating he likes the current prices. Other investments of Mohnish which are outside of the US include Process and/or potentially Naspers. Through these companies, Mohnish is invested in Tencent as he is buying into the net asset value discount of the holdings of these companies. In reality, it is unknown for certain which of the two subsidiaries he owns as they are not public. There are technology holding companies which trade for less than their asset value. Mohnish owns these companies as he loves the business model of Tencent. As a conclusion, the US-based investments of Pabrai are all quite cheap in terms of their price-to-book value. Mohnish is one of the greats in the investing world, and it is always important to see where he is invested. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and watch my other portfolio and stock analysis videos for more value. I'll see you in the following lecture.